If you want to find some file in a project window, you can click on this icon, Find. The Find in a bin or in the project file will be open. I'll explain that. If you are in a timeline, if you reach the timeline and we have a heavy project, I will be explained you can hit Ctrl F to find in the timeline. This is exactly the find settings here. It's very simple. Going to the bin, click on a tilt button from the keyboard to maximize that. Close all of the folder. Here you can click the Find or Ctrl F. Find in a bin will be open. We have two column and operation, and you can time find what. In the first column, I want to give you an example. For example, in this Adobe Click, we have a file that it's in a name contains Z and the label is the iris. I want to find it. For example, I know what I want to, but I know where is in the huge bin zone files. You can select that. In the first column, I want to select a metadata name. I want to find a name contain the Z, one of the Z. If you want to have a case sensitive, for example, if you want to hit the with the caps lock, it's sensitive with the caps lock objects. If you want, you can turn it off or on, but I don't want. And contain, it's the best mode. Contain the file here, or start with a Z, or end with a Z, or match exact. If you hit the match exact, find exact this Z file. For example, you have to know the exact name, or don't contain that word. But the most better way is contain Z. For the second operation, I need the label. We can change the label, and the color is iris. The match is exactly and or. The all means and. The and is a very strict one. You have to contain this and this at the same time to find it. But if you want to find any, it's or Z or iris. It's not important. Be in both of them at the same time. Or this is exactly as I said before in the previous lesson. This is all. It means and. Any is or. I mean all, because I want to go exactly at that file. And hit the find. Now, as you can see, that exactly find that file for me. And hit done. For example, I want to close all of those to find better. For example, I want to find a file that contain with A and the frame rate. For example, a video. Find the frame rate. Here, frame rate. For example, 30 frame rate. You can find all or any of video contain A or no. I want to exactly. It's contain A and 30 frame rate. Contain that. Find it. As you can see, exactly find a video that's a frame rate 30. And the name contain A. Here we have a contain A in a transitions. Okay, this is a find. It's very useful and important to know how you find your file in huge and big projects. Hello my friends, to continue these tutorials on YouTube, subscribe us, like us, and hit the bell icon. And now you will be alerted about all of the amazing videos that we release.